Respected Chief Justice of India, Honorable Sri Justice Ranjan Gogoi garu, Honorable Justice of Supreme Court of India, Sri N.V. Ramana garu, Honorable Justice of Supreme Court of India, Sri L. Nageswara garu, Honorable Judge of Supreme Court of India, Sri Justice Subhash Reddy garu, Honorable Justice Sri Praveen Kumar garu, Acting Chief Justice of High Court of Andhra Pradesh, Honorable Justice B. Radhakrishna garu, Chief Justice of High Court of Telangana, Honorable Chief Justice Sri Ramesh Ranganathan garu, Respected Justice Venkataramaredi garu, Honorable Speaker, Honorable Judges, Ministers, other distinguished members of the bench, bar, and respected invitees and farmers. Today is the significant and historic day in the history of judiciary of newly formed state of Andhra Pradesh. Nearly 4.5 years after the bifurcation of combined Andhra Pradesh, the new infant state of Andhra Pradesh is going to have its own High Court in the new capital of Amaravathi. It is a pride moment for the state of Andhra Pradesh to commence its High Court from the District Court Complex building as a transit measure. I wholeheartedly thank one and all who have made this possible. The establishment of High Court in the new capital of Amaravathi will enable all citizens to get access to justice, saving their travel time and resources. As you are all aware, just now, Honorable Justice L. Nageswara garu and also Honorable Justice N. Ramana garu, they referred the bifurcation and also history of the state. If you go back, we were in Madras Presidency, and then after 3 years, by the agitation of Potti Sri Ramulu, with his sacrifice of his life, we got Andhra Pradesh state. 3 years, we were in Kurnool, and also High Court was located in Guntur. Ultimately, all elders at that time, they fought for a united Andhra Pradesh. That is how Andhra Pradesh has been formed. You are all aware, because of bifurcation, there are so many breathing problems and also so many inherent legitimate problems also. Even there is Bifurcation Act and also special status they promised on the floor of the Rajya Sabha. All these things, some of these things, yet to fulfill. 60 years, we are all in Hyderabad. We have contributed for the development of combined Andhra Pradesh, and at the same time, we didn't finalize all the issues between the two states. Even though we are making our efforts very sincerely, at this time, I really appreciate farmers who are all here. They gave nearly 34,000 acres of land under land pooling. It is a historic thing. Otherwise, all these things should not happen. I am thanking on behalf of government, and farmers are here. We are thanking them in a big way. Sir, you have seen, sir, today, with the sacrifice of farmers, we have planned Amaravathi city. It is a crisis, but we wanted to convert this crisis into an opportunity. This seed capital, we are having nearly 50,000 acres of land with farmers' contribution of land, everything. We have given an excellent policy for the farmers. It is a win-win situation. After development, 25 to 30% of land we are giving back to the farmers with all infrastructure. Now land value has increased. We have given an annuity for 10 years. Because of all these things are happening very smoothly. We are planning nearly 50,000 crores expenditure on trunk infrastructure, one of the best infrastructure. We wanted to make this city one of the beautiful city. Earlier I had some experience in creating Cyberabad city, that is a brownfield city. Now we are building greenfield city. We are planning, sir, here, one of the most beautiful city. If we name among top 5, Amaravathi will be one in the near future. That is our ambition. That is how we are moving in that direction. As Honorable Justice Ramana Garu has rightly mentioned, there is a history for this city. 2000 years back, this Amaravathi was capital for Satavahana dynasty. We are going to revive that glory in the near future. Even here, we are having 9 cities. In 9 cities, one is administrative city, and also in that, there is justice city also. In this justice city, today we are having district court as a transit high court, and also Honorable Supreme Court Chief Justice has laid the foundation for High Court. It is a wonderful this thing. One of the, if you see here, it is a Buddhist stupa. It is an iconic building. If you see this in future, as Buddha has rightly mentioned at the time, we are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. We build our destiny not based on our birth, but by our efforts. It is exactly correct. It will take some time, but we will make it a reality in the near future. That is our confidence. Distinguished dignitaries are here. In the constitutional scheme of governance, all organs of the state, the legislature, the executive, the judiciary, and the press play pivotal roles in the delivery of justice. But it is in the judiciary that delivers timely and impartial justice and ensures safety and security of all the citizens. By interpreting the Constitution and the relevant laws, it is the judiciary which provides social and economic justice to all the communities of the society. Various landmark judgments of Honorable Supreme Court are testament to this effect. Even some of the justices, as rightly mentioned, litigation. It is the biggest bottleneck or hardship for development. If we cannot do development, automatically we cannot provide welfare or you cannot eradicate poverty. Always, this is a crisis atmosphere. If you create wealth, and also if you can, by getting revenues, you can provide better amenities for the citizens, and also you can provide better living standards. Then people also will be happy. So all litigation, we have to reduce to the maximum extent. Even in Andhra Pradesh, even Honorable Justice has rightly mentioned, 1,70,000 cases are pending. Even we are using technology for solving all these problems in a big way. We are, through technology, we are bringing transparency. RTC is working very well. With all these things, in the recent times, if you see, we are going one step ahead. That is viaduct principle. This viaduct is nothing but, it means structure that facilitates safe and quick passage to reach goal. In this, V stands for vision. We have prepared a vision. In this vision, by 2022, Andhra Pradesh will be one among top 3 in the country. By 2029, Andhra Pradesh will be number 1 in the country. and 2050, Andhra will be best destination in the world itself. That is our vision. For that, we are going different way. So many innovative practices. V stands for vision, I stand for innovation. If you see innovation, this is the best innovation in the world by creating land pooling system. Nearly 40 to 50,000 crores of worth of land they have given. Even I wanted to pool land, so much of litigation. This is how we have gone, very innovative way. This type of innovations we are creating in a big way. And also A stands for accountability. In all walks of life, from top to bottom, we are bringing accountability. And also we are going for digitalization. Total, you are all watching today. It is a digital world. We want to go for total digitalization and U for urban urbanization. Urbanization, if you see in a big way, we are bringing just like Amazon.com or so many people are doing. In government also we are using urbanization in a big way. Even we are using convergence, C for convergence, even Narega alone, we are integrating so many assets we are creating. T for technology and transformation, and also we are using best technologies available all over the world. With all these things, by using viaduct method, we are planning 5 principles. One is ease of doing business. We are number 1 for the last 2 years. We wanted to be distant number 1 in the near future, so that we want to attract maximum investment. And also, second principle, ease of living. With one smartphone, people will have all access of government services and also private services, so that they will have a ease of living. Third one, we are thinking corrupt-free society. With the technology, we want to control corruption and also we want to bring accountability. And fourth one, most livable standards we wanted to create. Quality of air, quality of water, quality of food through organic farming. As on today in Andhra Pradesh, 8% we are having organic farming. Whereas in India, 0.6%. Globally, it is only 0.3%. What we are doing in agriculture, they won't use fertilizer, pesticide. They are going to have natural farming in a big way. This will be the model for the world. Finally, we are going to provide best quality of power, best quality of communication, best quality of connectivity, and also dignity of work. With all these things, we want to provide to our citizens happiness and also quality of life. This is where we are working. In this, what we are requesting Honorable CJI, as far as possible, litigation can be reduced, then we can have a better growth rate. That is what I am requesting CJI and also Justice to pursue how to reduce the litigation. And also one or two issues I wanted to place before judges are here or justices are here. Environment. Andhra Pradesh is very keen in promoting environment. In the recent past, nearly 2,200 acres, 2,200 square kilometers of greenery we are able to add. We are number 1 in green cover to add in the state. And at the same time, we are having a beautiful sea coast, 1,000 kilometers. Beautiful rivers we are having. All these things, if we can use for tourism, there is a lot of potential. If you see in Singapore, reclamation of sea, they have done. Even in Dubai, in the middle of the sea, they are having excellent hotels, recreation places, everything. But India, we are having a problem. While protecting environment, while controlling our environment, and at the same time, we have to use our beautiful places for tourism and other purposes. This is one more thing we have to focus, then only we will have that advantage. Finally, I am requesting Amaravathi. We are having 9 cities. In that one city is Justice City. What I am requesting, Honorable Chief Justice, and all sons of the soil, 2 Chief Supreme Court judges are there, and also all legal luminaries are here. If you see Singapore, if you see London and Hong Kong, everybody is going there for settlement of cases, all arbitration. We wanted to create that type of ecosystem. For that I am requesting, Government of Andhra Pradesh is prepared to give land. Immediately Nalsar University, we wanted to start in Amaravathi. Earlier we started one Nalsar University in Hyderabad. That is the best university as on today, second best in the country. So I am requesting Honorable Chief Justice and also Honorable Acting Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh to initiate. Immediately our CRDA will give land, government will give required funds and other infrastructure we will build. And at the same time it is a new place. Even all our judges are here and also our advocates are here. We will have some suffering, some problems in the initial stage, but I am assuring you from government side, we will extend all the cooperation for judges and also employees and all honorable court to function smoothly. As on today, we have taken some decisions. Honorable High Court employees, we have enhanced the retirement age from 58 years to 60 years. And also residential accommodation, as far as possible, we are providing in a big way. Even our High Court employees also, free residential accommodation we are providing, even transport, HRA, like this, all these facilities, as far as possible, we are providing everything. And finally, in conclusion, I assure you, sir, this will be one of the best justice cities in the world we wanted to build. That includes law schools, legal fora, alternate dispute resolution structures, and also law firms, international institutions. This city will emerge as a very important global city on the lines of Singapore, London, and Hong Kong. Sir, here, if you see Swami Vivekananda quotation, we are responsible for what we are, and whatever we wish ourselves to be, we have the power to make ourselves. If what we are now has been the result of our past actions, it certainly follows that whatever we wish to be in the future can be produced by our present actions. So we have to know how to act. This is exactly, it will be applicable for Andhra Pradesh. We have faced so many crises, so many problems. Now we are laying very strong foundation to move forward. This area is very dynamic area. People are very cooperative and also creative. With all of you, your support and blessings, we wanted to make this place one of the best places. Today I have seen you are here. By seeing this area, there is so much of energy. By using all these things with your good wishes, we wanted to make this place one of the best places to live in. With this, with your permission, sir, I want to say only one thing in Telugu. Our Honorable Justice Ramana has spoken in Telugu, so I wanted to, 2 నిమిషాల్లో ఇక్కడుండే రైతులందరినీ మనస్ఫూర్తిగా అభినందిస్తున్నా. ఈ రోజు మేమందరం ఇక్కడ ఫంక్షన్ పెట్టుకోగలిగామంటే అది రైతులు ఇచ్చిన సహకారం, మీరు చూపించిన స్ఫూర్తి. మీరు కానీ ఆ రోజు కానీ ల్యాండ్ ఇవ్వకపోయింటే మేము ఇక్కడ కూర్చునే పనే లేదు, ఇక్కడ ఇంత పెద్ద ఎత్తున ఫంక్షన్ పెట్టుకునే పని లేదు. దీనికి పూర్తిగా రైతులందరినీ అభినందిస్తూ మరొకసారి భవిష్యత్తులో మీరే చూడబోతున్నారు. ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనం పెంచుకుంటూ పోయి ఈ అమరావతిని జస్టిస్ రమణ గారు చెప్పినట్టు 2000 సంవత్సరాలకు మునుపు శాతవాహనుల రాజధాని ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏ విధంగా అయితే ఒక వైభవపేతమైన ప్లేస్గా ఉందో దానితో సమానంగా తయారు చేయడానికి ఈ ప్రభుత్వం అన్ని విధాలా పనిచేస్తామని మరొక్కసారి మీ అందరికీ హామీ ఇస్తూ ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ హైకోర్టు వచ్చింది, ట్రాన్సిటివ్ హైకోర్టులో ఉన్నాం, రేపు ఐకానిక్ బిల్డింగ్ వస్తుంది. ఇవన్నీ బ్రహ్మాండం కట్టుకుని ఈ యొక్క అమరావతిని బ్రహ్మాండంగా అభివృద్ధి చేస్తామని కోరుకుంటూ మీరందరూ కూడా ఇంత స్ఫూర్తినిచ్చిన మీరు ఈరోజు CJI గారు వచ్చారు, సుప్రీంకోర్టు జడ్జెస్ వచ్చారు, అందరూ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు. వారందరినీ మనందరం అభినందిస్తూ వారిని రాబోయే రోజుల్లో ఒక జస్టిస్ సిటీ తయారు చేయడానికి ఏం కావాలనో ఆ సహకారాన్ని అందించాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. అది అందిస్తారని చెప్పి ఆశిస్తూ మరొక్కసారి మీ అందరి తరపున CJI గారికి, సుప్రీంకోర్టు జడ్జెస్కి, ఇక్కడే ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ కాకుండా తెలంగాణ నుంచి చాలా మంది జడ్జెస్ వచ్చి అందరూ వచ్చారు. అందరికీ మనస్ఫూర్తిగా అభినందన తెలియజేసుకుంటూ మీ అందరి దగ్గర సెలవు తీసుకుంటున్నాను. జై హింద్, జై జన్మభూమి.